Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this one yesterday, and I said in that video, every time you do it, it's going to be different. And if you look how different it is, this line is more prominent than this line. But anyway, that's not really why the video is for. I'm going to show you an effect that might or might not work. You know what? I'm going to make it blue for a second so we can see it. There's really no centerable part except for like right there. So I'm just going to put those two dots, and that's going to help me center my square. Now I've got to get rid of the orange or red dots for the intersect tool to work. And see, it made an outline. So I never delete anything. I move this out of the way. I'm going to hit P. Now take an ellipse, not really too big, and then make a duplicate of that ellipse and move it out of the way. The reason for that you'll see in just a second. We're going to select my red line, and you can see down, well, I've lost my telltale sign. I can't even think what the name of it. But anyway, I've selected the red line. I'm going to go to Effects and Lens, and I'm going to get the fisheye. And look at that. Now, go to Frozen, and then I'm going to take that fisheye and move it out of the way. Now, they're all lines, so I have to, and see, they're kind of broken lines. It's not perfect. I'm going to go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and try to grab my red line and hit Delete. Now, you have to do this. If we take the yellow box effect and go Object, Order, Back a Page, there's always a white behind the fisheye. So grab it, go up to Object, and see it's already ungrouped. So now we ought to be able to grab the white and move it out of the way. Now we're almost ready. But now we're going to nudge this over, and we're going to use a weld tool called Trim. And it basically trimmed a hole out. Get rid of that, move this back, and then move this up. How did I do that? Okay, I hit P and put both of them in the center of the page. That's why I really draw in the center of the page. Now it's got some bad lines, but if we make it yellow, and first of all, what we got to do, see, it's 10.5 inches. To make it smaller, I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and scale with Object. So now the lines will be scaled. I didn't group them together, so I'm going to Control G. Now I'm going to make it 4 inches. If I didn't scale with Object, you wouldn't be able to see it because it'd be so dark. Okay, I've got my nudge factor set on 4. I'm going to hit the plus key and then hit the plus key. I always hit the plus key and then go over to Control D. Now, if we make this yellow, it's not all that outstanding, but if we take a black box effect, go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. From a distance, it's pretty cool. Anyway, just playing. I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.